According in the picture, this is the main part of the city of Fusagasugá, where I live in the picture. It is appreciated that there are several people. There are towers of the church. In the park there are parks that with an ambience of friendliness. There are also a few stand areas that allows access to the main temple. On the left, you can see the government house in the city of Fusagasugá. There are also pylons with people present. At the same time, there are merchants in the center of the park. You sell ice cream and other products for the community. This is the city of Fusagasugá nouns and the main parts of the city. Thank you.